Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Okay, hello guys, how you doing? Back with me again, Vorhesz, and today I'm gonna show you how to open the scooter seat. So the scooter seat, and I'm gonna show you what's inside the scooter seat. Okay, first of all, you need the key. These are the original keys. Okay, so you need to find the hole, the keyhole. This is the one. Okay. And this is a simple hole, just to stick your key in it, and you just need to turn it to the right like this, and you will hear the click sound when I open the scooter seat. Okay, you hear that? And this is the scooter seat. Okay, really really easy. Thanks. And I'm gonna show you what I brought inside my scooter seat. This is my raincoat. I have a pair of raincoat. This is the pants, and this is the jackets. Okay, and this is the important thing. This is the fuel tank. You need to open the cap. Okay, and yeah, that's all. I think how to open your scooter seat. It's enough, I think, to put the raincoat inside. I usually put like 2 pairs and maybe a pair of sandals, or you can put it like boots. Books or anything, like just enough inside it. Okay, so that's basically it. And you know, this is how you lock it again. So you don't need the key to lock the scooter seat. You just need to like push it down, and you'll hear the click sound again. Okay, I'm gonna show you, and listen carefully, right? Okay, that's a click sound. I will open it again, and that's a click sound. Open. So why I always put the raincoat inside my scooter seat? Because here in my city is the rain city, they say. It's always rain. Suddenly looks like it's a very sunny day, but no, it's usually it's real rain. Like a couple hours later it will rain. So yeah, put it there. So that's all, how to open the scooter seat. Okay, next video maybe I'm gonna show you how to open the fuel tank, scooter fuel tank. So whenever you want to refuel it, it's just easy to go. And yeah, that's all basically, how to open the scooter seat. Okay, hopefully the video is helping, useful, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.